Oh, those actually look really good.
Those look pretty good.
Yeah. Mess with your hair. Those ones actually look good too. Down a little bit. Okay, try the other ones again. I think I like this one's better. I think the edges of it like go with like your bone structure.
There's already it's got even came out without please.
Do you want to try it?
Probably.
You have to eat the whole thing.
What?
The whole crate. No, the whole crate. Bite it. Bite it. You work hard? Hmm? I wish. My only criticism for this one is I wish the outside was cleaner.
Yeah, they could.
Huh?
More bad. My teeth are stuck.
How hard are you biting them?
Or they're, see, this place has the right idea. So, a special product. Good vibes.
Okay.
You can just suffer from location.
Yeah, I think if this was a better location, it would do way better. It's always empty here. You think I could eat this whole thing?
I don't think that's enjoyable. Watch out for the juice.
Where's juice?
It's just juicy.
Right? Not my brightest idea.
Should have just spit it out.
It's kind of soft though, not my favorite.
This way?
Kind of too sweet, like too ripe. You can eat the whole thing.
I don't want the whole thing.
Me too. You know you want to. Okay, how many hours have we been out and about?
Maybe like 5.
This is natural light or fake light? Does it look like I still have makeup on?
Yeah.
See? I did good? Say I did good.
That looked good.
I have to try your pistachio latte. How do you say it? Pistachio?
Pistachio.
I'm serious. Pistachio? Pistachio. How do you say it right? You don't like it?
It's not cold yet. It's good though. There's pistachios.
This is because you have to sip from the top. How do you switch the camera? You think I'm gonna find it not sweet because I was eating this?
Probably.
I like it. You want another? Does it have caffeine?
Probably. Being a business alternative to it is such a good idea.
We're opening Labubus.
Show it right off the bat.
Ready? Okay, I have it in my hand. I can feel it. Feels like a special
I'm
one.
gonna peek real quick. Okay.
No.
The bag is not translucent or anything. You can look at the bag.
On our way back to get more Labubus. I need you to be speedy. Huh?
You can't die.
Are you excited? Are we getting the secret one?
If we get doubles.
Don't even put that out there because I already did that. I almost failed leaving the house and hey, look. We're back. Bag has been secured. Which one is it?
And laughter and fun. Everyone's excited.
I can sit here.
Everyone's excited. Let's just get a closer look. What the?
There has been a fire emergency recorded in the building. While this is being verified, please